Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve being laggy on CapCut app. To know how to fix or how to solve being laggy on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to CapCut and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.